we chose to come in and be a bronze sponsor for the event is that it's very different than some of the traditional DSA events that are set up in the space, or DSEF, or some of the others that you may have seen in the space. There's no vendor fair, so this isn't you coming to a summit to get pitched in a bunch of by a ton of vendors. If you've been to other events in the past, not just picking on the DSA, there's one of the bigger ones and some of the others. Many times it's the room is 5 vendors to one other person who's in your space running a direct selling company. This is more than the opposite. There'll be about 20 vendors there who have sponsored lunches or breakfasts or lanyards or parts of the event. And it's not even us presenting our platforms or software or tools or systems at all. The speakers are not the vendors. The speakers are different thought speakers on specific topics on leadership and compliance. And the vendors are there literally just supporting in relationships. And there's going to be a couple hundred of you that are there as people who run direct selling companies, or on management teams for direct selling companies, or on holdings companies that are buying direct selling companies, literally just attending and understanding leadership and compliance in 2023 and what it looks like. So it's one of those awesome events for you to meet other people who are in your space, who are running businesses like yours, and there isn't a bunch of like vendor courting time, in that the vendors themselves, if anything, are meant to just connect with you, and they'll have conversations separately from the